Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from your mobile through the Bluetooth system in this 2018 Renault Trafic Sport. So on the home screen here, nothing playing here, but we'll click on music. You'll see there, if I click there, the silver triangle and the three silver circles at the bottom, it shows you the two possibilities of what you can play audio through your iPhone or the Media Nav Evolution system, which is this. There's a tick next to Media Nav. So any audio that plays on here will play through the system in the Trafic if you have it set up right. So we'll go back to the record, we'll click play, turn it down, over to the system, media in the middle there, click media, and you'll see there it's already showing the record that's playing. At the top there you'll see BT with an arrow down. If I click the arrow down, that's if anything else is connected. I'll just do it again. Anything connected, USB, iPod, auxiliary, you can select those. Or if it comes on, if you've got something else connected and it's playing, say, the USB, then click the down arrow, select BT, that's it. Now, if I turn this up, I can either use that, turn it up here, and that's how you play audio.